Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we're over at the customer's house. Just got done doing a qomo Energy Lithium battery. This is the E-Max, man. We're getting E-Max. We're going at 250 amps continuous. Most of them are 200. This is 500 amps, 15 seconds. 500 amps on regen, and that's a problem with the cheaper lithium batteries. When the car regen and you let go of the gas, it over voltages the battery, so the battery shuts off. This here is allowed to regen for 15 seconds, which is a long time at 500 amps, which is unreal. You got 1,000 amps, 2-second discharge. But I'm gonna let him drive it, man. We're gonna show you what he thinks about it. First reaction. This is how it goes. This got the battery gauge, and let me show this to you. What we did with this one here, man, we actually done this one here. We actually put this one, you got your gauge. We actually put the kill switch, the remote switch right there. That way, if he wants to turn the battery off by that, maybe they won't think about why the car don't move. So we try to turn that remote switch into a kill switch also. We're gonna drive it and see what Chad thinks. Ready, Chad?
Yes, sir.
You got your license, sir?
Yes, sir.
You got DUI?
No DUIs.
All right, that's what I'm talking about. You running?
It's not beeping.
All right, hop up. Is it in tow?
Yes.
Got switch in tow. Look at that, boys. Then did it.
Now we're moving.
Watch out with the throttle.
This is his first time driving lithium, man. I'm gonna start getting initial reaction from the customers. Just feel the difference. If you don't see the end of the video, that means you threw me off.
When you get on straightaway floor, you see what we mean.
Wow.
Now,
What do you think, Chad?
my dad stop.
Now I can put the window up.
I know, right? But Chad, is it a difference as far as power?
Absolutely.
It is, man. It's a big difference, man. Well, because what happens is when the lithium it holds voltage. Lead acid, when you hit the gas, it drops down like 44, 43. This holding 51.2.
Now I got to put on seatbelts.
I told him to get his seatbelts for about 150. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, per row.
Now, check it for my dad stop, Mr. Chad.
Chad, what do you think, Chad? Look at me. What do you think? Is it a big upgrade?
It's a big upgrade.
I tell you, man, you heard it from the
Now,
customer
floor.
himself, man. Right there, we spun the wheels off his car. Y'all seen it, man. If y'all thinking about going lithium, man, and you want to get you a good battery for a good price, man, get your qomo Energy Lithium battery. Great product so far.
This is the way to go.
It is. Chad, what do you think? Is it the way to go or go lead acid?
Go lithium all day.
He ain't got a maintenance. You don't have. And one of the main things is, man, you don't have to worry about the acid on your concrete. You don't have to worry about this right here, man. Batteries get older, they start messing up your concrete. It's worth it, man. Go lithium. Go qomo Energy Lithium battery. If you want some, man, go on my link on my Fourth Wall store. I sell the batteries. Or reach out to me. All right, man. Appreciate that. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Also, you can become a member on my channel for as little as 99 cents. Get early access to videos. Go check it out, man. Hey.